Hello friends, today we're going to talk about maintaining during the holidays. Any holiday, we happen to be at the Christmas holidays right now, but any holiday can be you can maintain your home and keep it from going back to the way it was, reverting back by doing two things, routines and clutter checks. So let's start with the routines. Every morning you're going to get up and do your morning routine. So you're going to get up, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on a little makeup, fix your hair, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, go in the kitchen, empty the dishwasher or the dish rack, and then that's the whole morning routine for you. Then you're going to do your laundry routine. So you're going to put in a load of laundry and later on dry it. And don't take it out of the dryer till you're ready to fold it and put it away because you haven't done the laundry until the clothes are folded and put away. We're also going to do paper clutter, 1 inch, just 1 inch every morning. It takes a couple of minutes. That's it. Paper clutter routine. And then we're going to do our after dinner routine. So after dinner, wipe the table, wipe the counter, sweep the floor, wash the dishes or put the dishes in the dishwasher, wash the pots and pans, clean the top of the stove, wipe out the sink. Those are after dinner routines. These routines can be shared among the family. I encourage you to do that. And then our last thing is our before bed routine, where we do our shower or our bath, we wash our face, we moisturize our skin, we put on our pajamas, we lay out our clothes for the next day, and we check our planner to make sure that we know what's going on for the next day, including our meals for the next day. Okay, so that's what it is. And in the morning, I forgot to tell you, you're going to check your planner first thing in the morning as well. All right, the other thing we're going to do is clutter checks, 3 of them. This is the part that keeps everything from sliding back to the disaster it was before, all right? We're not going to have disasters. We're going to have maintenance. When you see other things that you haven't gotten to yet, you're going to say, I see you and I have a plan for you, and then you're going to put it out of your mind and enjoy and enrich your life with this beautiful holiday with your family or with yourself or whomever you're with. Okay, so we're going to do clutter checks, 3 a day. That means that you're looking around at the places that you've already decluttered to make sure that you don't have bad habits of cramming things into that cabinet, shoving things onto the floor in that closet, or shoving things into the closet, not hanging them properly, or laying sweaters and things on the chair, or dropping things on the floor, or leaving coffee cups out, or leaving books out, or leaving games out. Whatever it is that you leave about and it has a home, go put it back in its home. Don't judge yourself or others in your family. Just take care of business so that it doesn't overcome you and you don't run around going, my house is a disaster. I hear too many people say that when it's not true. So just maintain. That's what you're going to do during the holiday to keep the clutter down. Now, there are other things you can do if you have people in your home, maybe not this year, maybe next year, but when there are people over, you want to make sure that you're being efficient in the way that you serve food and the plates that you use. You might choose to use paper plates and throw them away, and that is acceptable. You might choose to use your finest china. In that case, we're going to collect the china up and wash it, and you get the help of your friend to help you. And if you don't feel like having your friend help you, that's fine. If you want to be away from your friend or friends, go in the kitchen and do the dishes real quick. Just a little teeny bunch of dishes can be done very quickly so that you don't have a whole pile later. That's the whole key. It's the dripping of water that wears away stone, not some huge, gigantic tsunami of cleaning. That won't wear away stone. That'll just wear you down, okay? So make sure that you're doing little bits to keep it clean. If you have guests over, oftentimes they'll want to help. You just have to ask for their help. And it's fun because you're together. If you're having a guest in your home, it's probably not extremely formal. It's probably informal, somebody that you love, some family or friend that you love and that wants to help you. So you can say, Mary, could you help me clear the table? I'm going to start putting these dishes in the dishwasher. If you can just bring them in here to me, I would appreciate it so much. Sure. And she'll bring you the dishes because that's little. And she'll say, what else can I do? And you can say, well, you want to shake the tablecloth for me and go put it in the laundry? I'd appreciate that. Or do you want to wipe the table for me? That would be great. And you finish washing the dishes. So you can do these things. People want to help. Imagine yourself in their shoes. You would want to help if you knew what to do. It's very uncomfortable to be in someone else's home and not know what to do and feel like, oh, I'll just jump in and do it, because you might not do it to their specifications. So if they tell you exactly what to do and how to do it, this is the one time that they want your instruction, not in their own homes, but in your home, okay? All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to maintain over the holidays. This works for big birthdays that maybe take 2 or 3 days. Sometimes we have those big birthdays. I have birthday month, but whatever. It works for other holidays in the year, national holidays or religious holidays. It works for vacation. If you're doing a staycation, this is what you're going to do. You're going to maintain during this time. Okay, it also works for those times when we are feeling unwell, where we need to rest. Then you're just going to maintain. These are the things you do for yourself and for your family. Okay, that's what you're doing. So you're not doing a weekly home blessing hour. You're not doing grocery shopping. You're not doing any of that. That's all been done before because you planned for this. You're just doing the enrichment of your family during the holiday season. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that you have a wonderful holiday season, a Merry Christmas, a blessed Christmas, and I hope that you remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.